Every year when midwinter arrives, snow can blanket the Great Plains. Temperatures can drop well below zero, and the winds can howl unmercifully. And yet bison remain alive and well on the hostile landscape. Indeed, bison have evolved physiological, digestive, and behavioral strategies that allow them to survive some of the harshest weather in North America. During the cold winter season, bison develop thick, woolly coats that help protect them from freezing temperatures and harsh winds. It is said that a bison's winter coat is so thick and provides insulation so effective that when snow accumulates on its coat, it will not melt from the heat of the bison's skin. With thick coats and creating a low profile, bison can survive the same storm that would kill many domestic livestock. Bison also have the ability to use their large head and massive neck and shoulder muscles as snow plows to forage in snows deep as 4 feet. But what perhaps is most impressive is how eating grass allows them to have enough energy to survive the winters. They have adapted to efficiently find nourishment from low-quality forage that allows them to battle blizzards, negative 40-degree temperatures, and 50-mile-per-hour winds. Under cold stress, bison have developed the adaptation to minimize nutritional needs and slow their metabolism to conserve energy. Forage is retained longer in their gut due to the increase of indigestible plant material found in the winter, which allows them to eat less but still receive the nutrition they require. Without these adaptations, surviving the freezing temperatures and blizzard storms would not be possible.